Welcome for this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to make Nigerian chicken shawarma. Yes, you get me right. So join me on this episode where I teach you, or show you rather, how I make my own chicken shawarma. Let's go. First step in making your chicken shawarma is your chicken. Your chicken have to be sweet. So first of all, we need to make sure that we spice our chicken. Wash your chicken properly, then you spice it up. So this is chicken thighs. I like eating chicken thighs for my shawarma. If you want to use chicken breast, you can use chicken breast. Everybody with their own opinion, you get. But I love using chicken thighs because chicken thighs have it takes in spice. You get whatever spice you put in your chicken thighs, it get absorbed in it easily. So that is the reason why I use chicken thighs. So this is my washed chicken thighs. And one thing I do first of all is to give my chicken thighs a shape. Like I cut it up first. So this is how I cut my chicken thighs. First of all, give it a mark on the body. One is the rough, then you throw it away. Mark, because you want the spice that you put in the chicken to be inside the chicken, not just on the surface of the chicken. Do you understand? So this is where I cut up my chicken, and then after cutting, then we marinate. So I'll be back. Many of you asked me how I marinate my chicken. So this is how I marinate my chicken. Ginger. We add some ginger. We add some all-purpose spice. Seasoning. Paprika. Chicken cubes. Definitely salt. Now we're going with some vegetable oil. Another thing is fresh thyme. I love fresh thyme. I love using fresh thyme. I prefer the fresh one to the dry one. So all we do is just put in some fresh thyme. So another thing is I have this pepper mix. It's made with bell pepper, pointed bell pepper, onion, garlic, and some oil and fresh thyme in it. So I like having this mixed on my chicken because it gives it this nice aroma and nice taste when it comes out. If you don't want to use your hands, bare hands, if you don't have gloves, please make sure you wash your hands before you put in your hand in the chicken. But if you have gloves, advisable use the glove. It's done. So we leave this for like 20 to 30 minutes, but if you have all night, you can put it all night, which is advisable. But if you want to use it just properly, just fast, just make sure you leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and you're good to go. If 1 hour is enough for you, you can still use one. So we cover this up and let me check it marinate. Yeah, we're back. So just a recap here on what we've been doing. We have our chicken marinated, and it's already 30 minutes while the chicken was being marinated. And another thing again is the chicken is already in the oven. And make sure you spray oil in your chicken every 10 minutes while it's in the oven. So if you don't have the normal expensive shawarma grill, chicken grill that I normally have in this shawarma shop, don't stress yourself. Put it in the oven, low heat. Understand your oven very well. Put it on low heat. Don't get that chicken too dry, because if you do, you won't like having so much dry chicken in your shawarma. Spray your oil every 10 to 20 minutes. The chicken is in the oven. This is just vegetable oil. Make sure you spray your oil. And while the chicken is in the oven, we already have our cabbage being sliced up. So we have the white cabbage, the purple cabbage, and the carrots. You understand? The purple cabbage is optional. To me, I just like my food being beautiful. So that's the reason why I always have purple cabbage. Purple cabbage just to make it look nice and clean and sweet and beautiful. And then we have our carrot, which is a must. And another thing is, one question people always ask is, what bread do you use for your shawarma? Yes, that is a really important question. Don't make use of tortilla. Don't you ever make use of tortilla to do your shawarma wrap. It's not nice to use tortilla. We'll make use of what we call shawarma bread. So where we'll get our shawarma bread from, you can get this shawarma bread from any Asian shop or Lebanese shop. It's mostly Lebanese bread. So I buy mine in an Asian shop. I see it often there. And then this bread comes in a very thick form. This is the bread. So please don't mind me. I already washed my hand. So number one rule in the kitchen, always wash your hand every 5 minutes you're in the kitchen. Whether you touch something or you didn't touch anything, make sure you wash your hand every 5 minutes. So the bread comes in this form, and to me it's too thick. Do you understand? So when you wrap your shawarma, you see the layer is too thick. So all I do is patience in the kitchen. This is one wrap. So all I do is separate it. You make use of your knife. So quietly and gently on the bread, and you separate it. This is really difficult because it's patience. You need patience. So the reason why people make use of just a full wrap is because they don't have the patience to separate it, or they didn't know that they can separate it. So if you know you can separate it and you don't have the patience, there is a problem. But if you don't know that you can separate it and you have the patience, you can separate your bread. So that's it. So everything is ready. Chicken is in the oven. Our garbage is being sliced up. Our bread is being separated. You give me more time. I have to separate everything here. And when we're back, I will show you how to mix your shawarma mix, which is number two ingredient. First is the chicken to be sweet. Second is your mix. And we go in and wrap our shawarma. I'll be back shortly. Stay cool. Don't leave. And I'll be back. All right, so we are done slicing up the whole wraps. So this is a clean fin. So I have a clean fin on this desk because this is dirty. It's already clean though, but I had to put a clean fin just to protect everyone's hygiene. Do you understand? So now it's time for us to make the mix. So I have here with me some mayo. I have there with me some mayo. So it's mayo and ketchup. So first of all, I have some mayo left. I have to just empty it. I have mayo. You just have to be generous with your mayo because the more juicy it is, the better it is. So I love using Heinz. Make sure it's Heinz ketchup. Don't use any other ketchup. So I already had little ketchup in there. So with these now, I had to give it a mix, and our base is ready. Yes, we're back. Everything is ready. I've sliced up the whole bread, and now we have to make sure that we grill. Should I say grill? Just roast up our hot dog. So this is chicken hot dog. Yeah, some people are scared of hot dog is made with pork. No, they have chicken hot dog, they have pork hot dog, and they have turkey hot dog. So this is chicken because most people don't eat pork, so we're using chicken. So I have my pan already on fire, which all I need to do is just sprinkle a little of oil, still vegetable oil. And I'll toss in my hot dog. Because some people don't eat shawarma with sausage, and I'm wondering why. The reason why some people don't eat shawarma with sausage because they feel that this sausage is pork. Because I had a friend who is Muslim and he was like, I want to order shawarma, and he made sure that please not sausage. I am Muslim. I don't eat pork. And I was like, the sausage I'm using is chicken, so it's not pork. He's like, okay, if it's chicken, please use chicken. So some people don't eat hot dog because they think it's pork, so it's chicken. Always make sure you tell your clients or your people or your friends, whoever you're making shawarma for, that it's made with chicken. Some people don't eat pork. So now the hot dog is on fire. We just have to wait for it a little bit to get just golden brown a little bit. And the chicken is ready. Yes, the chicken is ready. And now we have to start wrapping the shawarma. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Peace. So everything is ready. We have our salad ready. That is the garbage. We have our chicken ready. This is our chicken. And we have our hot dog ready. So now we are going to start, and we have our mix ready. You see it. So everything is ready. Now we start wrapping up. So we dive into wrapping our first shawarma. This is spicy. Some people like their shawarma being spicy. So we have to add the spiciness. Just a little, yeah? So the more juicy, the better. So you have to make sure that you are not stingy on the sauce. Now we whisk. Make sure you are not stingy on the sauce. If you see that there is no enough sauce, add more, because the more juicy, the more creamy, the better. Now we wrap. Hot dog. 2 hot dog. your wrap. So we have our pan on fire. Some people make use of toaster. We don't have any toaster, so we have to make use of what we have. Pan on fire, add a little oil, and you place. Finally, it was a wrap. It wasn't really easy. I know you guys watched how I made the shawarma, and if you don't understand what I did, just try as much as possible to just go through the video countless times, and you get to understand how I make my shawarma. So this is the wrap finally, and we need to try it. Definitely to bang. So we need to try the shawarma and see how it goes. We made 20 wraps of shawarma, and this is the only one left. Is it? No. We have 2 left, so luckily for me, I have to try this one. This is where we try. Plus Jesus, minus it. Mm-hmm. I don't like hyping my food yet, but this is really bound. I'm not gonna lie. This is 10 over 10. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Keep watching. I'll be bringing more videos of how I make my food. Jollof rice will be coming next, FOB roll will be coming next, fried rice. Fried rice sounds easy, but trust me, so many people go wrong when it comes to fried rice. We're not talking about curry rice, we're talking about fried rice. So keep watching. Always check my channel, subscribe if you're not subscribed, share to your friend who wants to try how to make shawarma, share to your friend who wants to know how to make good food. Make sure you subscribe. Food is love, don't forget. Food is love. Once you follow the step on how I make my shawarma, trust me, your friends will love you when you make your shawarma. Peace. Don't forget, it's Chef Jeff Kitchen Show. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace.